Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm Joshua. Today we are going to see about what are the part-times that are available for students and how to search for part-times and what is the part-time salary that you get while you are doing the jobs. So let's get into the video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing the channel. I make videos about international students' life in UK and please hit the like button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. As per UKVA rules, a Tier 4 student can work only for 20 hours per week during term time, and during vacation you can work for 40 hours. So the vacation periods are December Christmas holidays, the Easter holidays and summer holidays. So you can work for 40 hours only during those days. All the other time you can work only for 20 hours. You cannot take up delivery jobs in UK, delivery jobs like Uber Eats or Deliveroo. You can't take any jobs like that because those jobs comes under self-employment category. So as per UKVA, a Tier 4 student cannot take a self-employment jobs. So you cannot take those jobs. Keep that in mind. First, we will see about what are the things you should know and have before applying for a part-time job. So first is the national minimum wage per hour. So if you see for 25 years and above, you will get 8.72 pounds per hour. And if you are between 21 to 24, you will get 8.2 per hour. And then if you're between 18 to 20 years of age, you will get 6.45 pounds per hour. And if you're under 18, you will get 4.55 pounds per hour. So this is the national minimum wage per hour as per the UK government. And then you should have your national insurance number, which we say as the NI number. So it is very important for if you want to do a job in UK, whether it's a part-time or a full-time, you should have a NI number with you. So you can get that by calling the number which is displayed in the screen. You can call them and you can say that you are going to take a part-time job and they will ask you your personal details, your BRP number and your passport number. And after some questions, they will like send you the NI number within 30 days or something. So you can start your part-time job before getting the NI number, but some people will pay you only after you show your NI number. So once you land in UK, just take the NI number as soon as you can. Next, we will see how to search for a part-time job. So there are 5 ways you can search for a part-time job. First is the university part-time jobs. Second is doorstep application. Third is online application. Fourth is through local recruitment agencies. And fifth is through references. So through these 5 ways, you can search for a part-time job. University part-time jobs. So these part-time jobs are jobs that are available inside the university campus. You can apply for them through the university online job portal, or you can use the student union job portal. So every university has their own student union. So through that also you can apply for these jobs. So the jobs that you get in universities are librarian, billing in university shops, bartender during student union parties, international student ambassadors, university marketing jobs. So these are the kind of jobs that you will get inside the university, and they pay you the minimum salary wage, which depending on your age, which I mentioned before, and then they can pay you up to £10 per hour. So you will get, if you're of age 25 or 26, you will get from 8.72 to £10 per hour depending on the job that you're doing. And if you're of age 21 to 24, you will get 8.2 to £10 depending on the job that you're doing. Next, we will see about the doorstep application. If you're in a town or a city, you can just go and approach every shops in the city or town and you can give your part-time CV. So the type of jobs that are available, or you can see like grocery shops, these are small grocery shop, not the big one like Tesco. So for that you have to go for online application, and billing counter jobs in petrol bunks, and then waiters in restaurant, food and beverage shops like KFC, Subways, Burger King, and then bartender in pubs. Next, you will see online application jobs and local recruitment agency jobs. So these jobs are available both through online application and also through local recruitment agencies. So the type of jobs are jobs in big supermarket chains like Tesco, Sainsbury, Asda, and then Morrison's. Then some food and beverage shops like McDonald's, KFC, customer service or shop floor sales representative in electronics and other shops. Even Apple, they hire part-time jobs. If you have Apple in your area, you can go for that. Then call center jobs, bartender in pubs and bars, babysitter for kids. So these kind of jobs, they will post either in the online website, or you can approach a local recruitment agent in your location. They will help you to find a job for you. Finally, reference jobs. So if you know any person or student who studied in the university before, or who has done part-time before in the university area, you can approach them. If you know them, you can ask them to refer you to the jobs that they know. That's the main way that many people get job in UK. Mainly part-time jobs you will get through reference, because when a shop owner knows a person and that person refer you to the shop, it will be very easy for them to appoint you. So this is the main way that many people get part-time jobs, but you can also apply through other ways that I told before. So even many people get through that ways also. So these are the main ways through which you will get part-time jobs in the UK. These are the things that I wanted to share to you based on my research for part-time jobs. So you can get all the links of the website that I mentioned below in the description. And for part-time CVs, just a basic CV is okay. You can just use your basic CV that you're having for your normal full-time jobs, and you can also you can also mention the days which you are available in the part-time CV. It will be very useful for them. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video. Until then, goodbye. Cheers.